Hi, thanks for coming by to check out this instructional video on how to use the DataDidIT Hitter Predictor tool. The DataDidIT Hitter Predictor tool is based on some of the blog posts that I've written in the past about predicting how minor leaguers, full season minor leaguers will do at their next respective level. This covers A to A+, A+ to AA, AA to AAA. If you want to see more details, click on the more details link that I just clicked on. And you can click on modeling hit rates between minor league levels to see the actual blog post that I wrote about modeling hit rates. Now, in order to use the tool basically uses the models that I wrote to try to predict the full stat line for how each and every single player is going to do. It can do past data, it can also do future data. In this example, I'm going to show you guys how to predict some future data. So I'm going to click on 2016 because I want to figure out like how players are going to do in the 2017 year. You need to at least provide a year and a franchise to this tool in order to actually make a prediction. So once you provide a year and a franchise, I'm able to hit predict. This is showing the full season predictions for the Nationals minor leaguers at their respective next levels. So if a player was at AA, then it's going to show their AAA predictions. If a player was at A+, it's going to show their AA predictions. If the player was at A, then it's going to show their A+ predictions. You can also filter. So if I want to see all of the predictions for Victor Robles at the next levels, these are my predictions for him based on his data from last year. If I want to filter this down only to show A-level players, I can type in A and I can hit in predict. Now I only see the A-level players. If I also want to filter it down more and like get rid of maybe some pitchers or people who haven't gotten too many minor league plate appearances, I can type in 200 for the particular level, type predict. Now this is only showing the players that had 200 plate appearances and what their actual prediction for their next level would be based on their current A-level stats. You can also switch like what you're trying to predict as far as like how many plate appearances are actually going to happen in the next level. So if I only think people are going to get 300 plate appearances at their next level, I can click predict. And this will show me my prediction for like how the player will do over 300 plate appearances. If I want to reset the panel and restart and do a whole another search, I can hit reset panel. Now to get back, I can just click 2016. Say instead I want to look at the Texas Rangers data. This is predicting how the Texas Rangers are going to do. Once I have that prediction and I want to export this data so I can look at it in Excel, I can click on export. This exports all the data to an Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see all your data in Excel and you can do whatever you want to it. Reset the panel again. And this is just showing you guys all the different functionality that's available. Thank you for your time, and please feel free to send questions my way.